In part 1 of Aireplayng, we have seen the usage of Aireplayng, what all filter options are available, and what all injection or replay options available with Aireplayng. In this video, we are going to see some attack vectors, how to use those attacks, when to use those attacks, and how exactly those attacks will assist cracking the web key. Let's start with the attacks itself. Rather than to explain all the things first, let's do the practical example first, and then I will explain why that attack is so important. Let's start with the first attack, that is deauth attack. So as you know, you can use the filter options to filter the capture packets, and you can use replay options to replay the packets. So these are the filter options supported by Aireplayng, and these are the replay options supported by Aireplayng. First is deauth attack. The deauth attack will send deauthentication packets. Now to launch this attack, I have to use -0. It says -0, so I have to use -0 to select deauthentication attack, and then I have to select the interface. I am currently using Athros based card, and I have put my interface Ath0 in monitor mode with the help of Aireplayng. How to put your interface in monitor mode? You can see the video of Aireplayng on securitytube.net. The beauty of Aireplayng is it actually parses your options, and it will ask the remaining or the required options for launching that attack. So if now I hit enter, it is saying invalid deauthentication count or missing value. Our option should be deauthentication and then count. So I am saying, say 10,000 packets I want to see. It is saying you should enter the BSS ID. Currently I have copied my BSS IDs. It is 001346 C4B214. So I have now provided BSS ID and interface Ath0, and now Aireplayng is successfully sending deauthentication packets with BSS ID 1346 C4B214. Now when we don't give any specific option, Aireplayng will keep on sending broadcast deauthentication packets. That is, the packet will be broadcasted, the destination MAC will be all FF. If I want to send unicast deauthentication packet, I have to use replay option with the destination MAC -C and the actual MAC. So if I send these packets as with destination MAC as 00150011UAA, this is actually my client's MAC, the targeted packets will be sent. Currently a ping is going on from the client. Let's start these packets and let's see the ping. Now incidentally ping has stopped. Let me stop the attack. I have stopped the attack and ping has again resumed. Let's do it once more. I am launching the attack, deauthentication attack, with giving BSS ID and client's MAC. I have launched the attack. Let's see the ping. Ping has stopped again. I will stop the attack. I have stopped and ping has resumed. Why is this happening? Why is this happening? Actually Aireplayng is sending some deauthentication packets from AP to client and from client to AP, and due to these packets the client is deauthenticated. Client again tries to reauthenticate when I stop the attack and ping resumes. The interesting question is why one would like to deauthenticate the client from the AP. While cracking the web key, many times we need to capture the association handshake. What do I mean by association handshake? I want to capture the association request response and authentication request response packets so that I will be able to see the credentials of AP and client. If AP is using shared key authentication, I want to use some different attack vector, and to do so I have to first deauthenticate the client. With the help of Aireplayng and this deauth attack, I will be able to deauthenticate the client and client will re-authenticate, and in that re-authentication process I will be able to see all the credentials of the association.